Today we're going to explore different ways to create new folders on macOS. There are several methods you can use, and you can choose the one that fits your workflow best. The first method is using the menu bar. When you have Finder open, just go to the File menu and choose New Folder. The folder will be created right in the location shown in the Finder window. For example, if you're on the desktop, the new folder will appear there. The second method is using a keyboard shortcut. This is the fastest way. Just press Command-Shift-N and the folder appears instantly. The third method is using the right-click menu. Right-click or Control-click or tap with 2 fingers on the trackpad in an empty area of Finder, then choose New Folder. This works best in icon view or column view, where there's more space to click. The fourth method is creating a folder while saving a file. When you choose File Save in an app, the Save dialog appears, and you can click the New Folder button in the bottom left corner. Make sure you check the current save location so you don't create the folder in the wrong place. The final method is creating a folder from selected files. Just select one or more files, go to the File menu, or right-click and choose New Folder with Selection. macOS will automatically create a new folder and move all selected files into it. If you prefer shortcuts, select the files and press Command-Control-N. Your selected files will be grouped into a brand new folder. In short, creating and organizing folders properly will help you work faster and stay more organized. You can adjust your folder structure anytime to fit your needs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like. See you in the next one.